My video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called Top Movies Links. If you have noticed that your browser displays topmovieslinks.com on the homepage and in the new tab, of course, this means that your browser has been recently hijacked and infected by some potentially unwanted application. It is called Top Movies Links, and this is a special browser extension for Google Chrome. The extension may also change your default search engine, the new tab, and the homepage settings. So you may currently see how it happens. Whenever I try to open the blank tab of my Google Chrome, I see Top Movies Links to be displayed instead of the blank tab. Plus, whenever I submit some search queries, I may get the results by Bing or by Yahoo, but Bing or Yahoo were not my choice. And that's the problem a lot of people currently experience. It is quite unlikely that you'll make a personal decision to visit this site, topmovieslinks.com, and install the extension. Very often it happens that the extension is integrated with some free applications, so people may download and install it pretty unintentionally. I would recommend you to be careful whenever you install free software. Pay careful attention to the installation guidelines and the instructions by the setup wizard. Remove any third-party programs that are suggested to you if you don't want to install them. Also, if this extension, Top Movies Links, was installed, go to the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Now you need to disable, and you may remove all these extensions that are not familiar to you. So get rid of them, and I would also recommend you to additionally examine your system with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. This is the antivirus that will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your computer. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button and begin the analysis of your device. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threats were found. In your particular case, the number of threats may be more than 20 or below 20, but definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threats, including the locations of these threats on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected threat manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular threat. This will show you the location of threat in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threats, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threats altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.